Old Captain Elias had lived in the isolated stone lighthouse for 40 years. Most people in the village avoided him, claiming he talked to the waves. But Elias didn't mind the silence. He had a secret that occupied his every thought. Every night, at exactly midnight, a strange green light emerged from the deepest part of the ocean. It didn't flash like a normal ship. It pulsed like a heartbeat. Elias would climb the winding iron stairs, his knees creaking with every step, to observe the phenomenon. One stormy Tuesday, the wind howled like a wounded animal. The waves crashed against the lighthouse base with terrifying force. Suddenly, the green light didn't just pulse, it approached the shore. Elias grabbed his heavy coat and stumbled down to the rocky beach. Through the salt spray, he spied a metallic object bobbing in the water. It wasn't a boat. It was a copper sphere covered in glowing barnacles. As it drifted closer, a small hatch rotated and opened. Inside, Elias discovered stacks of ancient waterproof parchment. He realized these weren't maps of the sea, but maps of the stars. The ocean light wasn't from Earth at all. Elias trembled, not from the cold, but from the shattering realization that he was the world's only witness to a visitor from another world. He clutched the documents to his chest and vowed to keep the secret hidden, just as the lighthouse had hidden him for decades.